same as Kyndryl is contributing with the heart of progress, we are giving some oxygen to the world today with these little trees.
Kyndryl is at the heart of technology, so I think with our services, with our technology, with our offerings, and with everything we do for our clients, we drive the technology for tomorrow, the technology that moves the world.
With our service and with our activity, we can build a new world for the new generation. And for me, this is the most important.
I find this opportunity amazing to work in team and to help the planet.
I love the energy. We are all willing to do new things together. It's really exciting to see such a powerful team.
Because I'm growing in this company. The company is growing also, so we are all growing, and this is beautiful.